Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Calendar in your preferred browser so you can act immediately. Sign into the Google account you use for events. This links your calendars. Once done, allow browser notifications and confirm macOS system preferences permits alerts because reminders rely on them. If you want Apple Calendar sync, add the same Google account in Internet accounts. This provides cross-app visibility. Make sure you choose the account that holds your events so you don't merge the wrong calendars. Now you build events and organize the view to match how you work. Create an event with plus create or drag on a time slot, add a clear title, set the time, invite guests, and enable conferencing if needed. Use day, week, month views and keyboard shortcuts like D, W, M to switch fast because visual context reduces scheduling errors. Once created, apply colors, set reminders and recurrence rules so events trigger at the right lead times. This keeps your workflow predictable and reliable. Finish by syncing and sharing so everyone stays aligned. Make sure sync is active on devices and in Internet accounts. If events don't appear, refresh the browser or toggle the account to force a sync. Share calendars with appropriate permission levels. Choose free versus detailed access so collaborators see exactly what you intend. If notifications stop, check Do Not Disturb, browser notification settings, and reauthorize the Google account. Signing out and back in often refreshes tokens and resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.